about how to download a CSV file from an open source, analyze the data of that file and present a proper output or visualization using Matplotlib. What are we going to do for this is, first task is to find a proper data set that we can analyze. So there are many sites. For example, it is recommended that to go to data.government.in, or you can go to Data World, or you can go to Kaggle. So I am going to first tell you how you can approach a proper site to get your CSV file or Excel file downloaded. Then using Colab only, okay, we are not going to do it on your system. We are using an open online IDLE. We will analyze the data and then we are going to plot a graph also there on the Google. Okay, so let's start. Task is finding out the data set. For this, we'll go to our browser, go to the site that is Kaggle, datasets. See, you can go to any open source site that is making the datasets available for the study purpose. I'm using this one, that is a Kaggle. Here you can search, not a new, but yes, okay, datasets. And now here you can give what, see, the lot of data are there here for the analysis. It's being put up here that you can go. You have to simply do one thing, you have to find it out which one you want. So for this project, what I have taken is Olympics dataset. Okay, because this is the latest one. No one had till now has done anything on this one. So I got it. When I clicked on this, I got these data sets here. This is nothing but a contribution by the data set collectors. Okay, so first one I'm just trying to find whether it is of my use or not. See, this is 2021 Tokyo Olympics complete data set. Fine. What type of files are there inside? We have to just examine it carefully. I don't find any CSV. No, there is no CSV and Excel file. Okay, doesn't matter. We go back. See, you also have to find things like this. Okay, you are searching here. Go for the next link. This is also 2021 Olympics in Tokyo. Yeah, here's something. Okay, so here we got some of the files which are Excel, athletes, coaches, entries, gender wise, then medals detail and teams in Excel. They're not in CSV file, but they are Excel. So there's actually the same. We can download this Excel, either convert it into CSV or directly read the Excel sheet. So there is no problem. Which one should we go for? Let's go for all. And later we will find out which one we want to analyze. Okay. So here is a download button. When you are going to hit it, this will open like here. See, is getting downloaded because I selected this one, so this is getting downloaded. Now the next one, yeah, basically I want this medals one, so now I'm downloading this one. Okay, and if you go for this one, this is going to give you all the files. Okay, now the next step is to just take this one in a folder. Go to document, then here downloads, and here you are going to find that is medal and athlete, 2 files over here. Just double click and check. Yes, so this is the data set we got. One minute. So this is, here is the data. We have the columns here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 columns are there, and this is what is the data. It is first column says its rank 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, but it seems to be the serial number. Then team, number of country. Okay, then gold, then nation of country like this, and then silver, bronze, total, rank by total. So this is actually by total. This is what is a rank. Okay, fine. So this one is particularly we have in Excel. We can store this in CSV format also to read out. So both I am going to teach you. See, go to this one, save as. Okay, and give any name, medal, CSV medal, like this. I'm giving the name CSV medals. Okay, and go for the option that is comma delimited, that is CSV file, and save it. So you have to just be careful about where you are saving all these files, because you have to upload them. Done. Now next step is, so we have in Excel and CSV both. The next step is, now come back to your browser here where we were searching about the data set. Now we have acquired the data set. Now go to the new tab, or rather go to your drives. Okay, Google Drive you have to go to. Then just get a new, okay, this is my collaboratory. I am opening up my collab files, and from this collab files I am going to take a new one. Okay, so I'm going to the welcome page. See, you can directly type collaboratory in your browser, and that welcome page is going to be open. Okay, already we have created one, no? Now go to new notebook, a fresh notebook we are taking. And the task is, we have the CSV and Excel both files of medals, the data that we want to analyze in our system. We have to upload that data. Upload data means here, this is the section of files. We have to get those files over here for making them available to the tabs or the program, the command that we are going to write. So go to this one, that is upload, and go to the section where you have these files. See, both that is CSV medals and medals, I have both. And let's do one thing, I'm just going to open it. Yes, okay, and I'm going to get it on my attached to my collab. So I have an Excel and I have a CSV file both. Now I'm going to teach you how you can use your command to read both of them over here, the data. Okay, we have seen the data there in Excel. Now we are going to do it here. And before that, first import all the necessary libraries, pandas, because the analysis of the data we are going to do. Then maybe some of the data frames may need NumPy, so we are writing import NumPy as NP. And in this program we are going to also need the matplotlib as PLT. Okay, this is done. Just execute it, because if you don't have pandas, the command that you're going to write to read it will not be executed. This is what very important. Now the next step is to read it out. Okay, now I'm taking the name of the data as medal, because we'll be working on the medal. Okay, then equal to sign, here we are using td dot read Excel. Okay, and just name the file medals.xlsx. okay, and try to print it. Execute. Got it? See, it's the same data that we downloaded and we stored in our system. Here we have it. Now similarly, if you want to read it through a CSV file, as you are working on the CSV file, the command is same. Nothing you have to change, only the extension you have to change. That's it. I'm just going to copy and paste it, and changing one thing only into this, that is CSV. That's going. How easy it is, you know. There is some mistake. We'll find it out. Oh, yes. The mistake is CSV extension. Okay, and one more thing. Yeah, so the name of the file is also CSV medals. Okay, now I hope it's going to work. So this is something very easy. Just go ahead with the other set, medal pd dot. This time you're trying to read the CSV file. Okay, so CSV, and the name of the file is different, CSV medals.csv. Just read out, and here it is. Okay, so there is an error. Find out what the error is. What it says. It says that at the last, so parsing means now it has a difficulty in reading the data. Okay, the code can't decode byte code in position 1. Fine. Okay. So you can do one thing. See, if you get any error like this, what you can do is you can go to Stackflow here. Search the Stackflow. This is going to give you solution also online. So this is something very easy. What I have the solution, I also search it like that. And whenever you're working on any of the data like this, and if you find there is one command that I tell you, which if you write, it is going to ignore the difficulty of reading the code. Okay, so we are just making it compatible with the pattern of the code that we want to really run. So as it is, you have to write error, bad lines, false. Okay, we have just told that you have to false and true means on and off. So we just made it inactive. Sorry. So encoding like that, and when you execute, this is now going to give you the data set. Stick means it is executed, but we have not written what do we want on the screen. So this is the display also have written. Now it's going to read it out. So like this, even in an Excel or CSV, both the ways you can read your data. This is done. Now in the next video, we are going to do the analysis, and after that, the plotting also of the graphs. Thank you.